Beauty Belsito, glow beyond glamour.
Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabel, and if you're new here watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Today in this video, we're talking about this controversial lotion. Yes, Caro White whitening lotion, or Caro White lightening lotion by Dream Cosmetics. So this product was actually manufactured, or is manufactured in Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. Okay, Abidjan to be precise. Now, there is this controversy about this product that it bleaches the skin, it damages the skin, it destroys the skin and all that. But let me tell you, when this product first came into the system, when it was first launched, it gave this kind of yellow tone, that beautiful glass skin, that beautiful yellow tone. But after some time, I don't know what happened to the company, and people were not getting same results they were getting before. I don't know what happened and what went wrong, but today I'm here to tell you that no matter how bad your cream is, you can still do something to enhance it. You can still do something about it to improve its performance. You can convert that bad cream to something good. I know some individuals, I know some people who use Abidjan product. It's not all Abidjan products that are bad. It is not every Abidjan product or made in Abidjan product that are bad. There are some Abidjan products that are good. Can you believe that Queen Elizabeth is made in Abidjan, but it never bleaches the skin, doesn't destroy the skin? Same as Eversheen cocoa butter. They are all made in. Growing up, I was using Eversheen and Queen Elizabeth, and my skin was awesome. You see, so it's not every made in Abidjan product that is bad. Some are good. We have good ones out there, so you should be selective. Now, back to this product. I know somebody who uses Abidjan product and is still glowing, getting that beautiful, beautiful glass skin. Let's put this one aside, okay? When it comes to Clinique Claire is not an Abidjan product. It's a Togolese product. But then people say Togolese product, Ivory Coast product, and Cotonou product are all the same. This product may work for somebody but may not work for you. I used Clinique Claire and it glowed my skin in 7 days. After 7 days, I started having some results that I didn't like. But there was one colleague of mine who was stuck to Clinique Claire, and she was actually the one who inspired me to get Clinique Claire. Her skin was flawless. Her skin was beautiful, white, like it gave it that whiter, beautiful tone, that snow white, milky white tone. She was looking like a Caucasian. She was glowing from inside out. So when I asked her, she told me she was using Clinique Claire. So I also ran. I went to grab it. And even the woman who was selling the Clinique Claire was so white and beautiful. So I thought that was actually what she was using. So I grabbed it. When I saw her skin, I said, hey, she was an old woman, a very old woman. But if you see her skin, it's so beautiful. So I asked her. She told me that, she used it. It's going to glow my skin. I would love my skin. My skin will be very nice, white like hers. And I asked her if that was what she was using. She told me yes. Then I grabbed it. And I started using it. So within 3-4 days, I was like, wow, my skin it was actually exfoliating my skin. You see the darker patches were gradually fading off, and then the skin was revealing itself. The fresher skin was revealing itself, and I was loving it. 7 days, I was getting that glow, that beauty. And then after 2-3 weeks, oh no, my knuckles became darker, my elbows black and all that. So I stopped using it. But then I can't say that because it didn't work for me, it wouldn't work for somebody else. But even I made a video last 3 years on Clinique Claire. I saw people in the comment section saying that they are stuck to Clinique Claire. They will keep using it because it's good for them. It's giving them that kind of result that they want. So our skins vary. Okay, so this is to say that some creams may be good for some people and may not be good for other people. The Clinique Claire worked so well for my friend and it worked for me, but because I have a sensitive skin, it was giving me rapid result. And the result, then I didn't even have the mind that if you're on whitening products and you should take a break and then you should take a break from time to time. I didn't have that mind, and I was even using it on my face. You see, I was ignorant. Let me put it that way. Today, if you are ignorant today, that ignorance will vanish. This product went viral years ago. It was really working for people. It was giving people that carrot tone, that beautiful yellowish tone, and that was what really made this product popular. Caro White lotion, that tone it was given initially, that beautiful tone that it was given people, is what made this brand popular. So today I'm going to tell you how you can convert this product. People say they don't like it because it's strong, it's harsh, and all that. Yeah, if you have sensitive skin, I'll tell you what to do. How you can, this product is not expensive, it's like 20 cedis, 20 Ghana cedis. So if you want something affordable on a budget, you can grab this one. And I'm going to tell you how you can convert this lotion into a Paris lotion. This has a French formula. Now, we are going to, it already has a French formula, so we are going to convert it into a Paris lotion. One reason your skin may develop stretch marks as a result of creams is that if your skin is sensitive, if your skin is soft, or if your skin has lost its elasticity and you use stronger product, your skin is going to stretch. Okay, so in this case, we're going to incorporate moisturizing oils to it. If the skin is strong, if the lotion is strong, we need to add more moisturizing oils, carrier and essential oils to tone it down, to make it ideal. Now, if your lotion does not moisturize very well, if you have a particular cream and the cream is giving you white patches or white dot, it is obvious. There are some people who use creams and they are always like, the cream is good though. The cream is really working on my skin. It's making my skin so beautiful, but it's giving me some white dots that I don't like. It means that the cream is active, is very good, but then it doesn't contain enough moisturizing properties. So if a whitening cream does not contain moisturizing properties or enough moisturizing agent, it's going to leave white dot. It's going to make your skin dry and eventually leave your skin with white dot and white patches. So if you will notice, you realize that it's always the whitening products that give white patches, not the moisturizing product. I've never heard that any Vaseline lotion has given white patches. I've never heard anyone saying that Nivea products has given them white patches. I've also not heard anybody saying that this lotion, CeraVe or any of these lotions giving them white patches. Is always the whitening products that contain high amount of whitening agents. They give those white patches and reactions. For the moisturizing product, what I always hear about them, that it's getting my skin darker. The fact that it gives them darker tone, like it's giving them a shade, it's making them darker and all that. That is all I hear about the moisturizing product. If your whitening product is not moisturizing enough, you need to add more oils to moisturize it. So we are going to convert this lotion to a Paris lotion. We will make it mild. We will make it mild yet effective. We will give it the kind of formula that is going to glow your skin, that is going to beautify your skin, that is going to give you even tone. Trust me, you're going to love the result. So without much ado, let's move to my workstation. So before we proceed, please make sure that you exfoliate your skin once or twice a week while using this product, and also try as much as possible to avoid sun exposure. So whenever you stepping out on the sun while on this lotion, please do well to use sunblock or sunscreen, or better still, you stick to night only. Like I said earlier, we're going to use Caro White lightening lotion, 200 ml. As you can see on the scale, it's 200 ml for the base, and we are going to use 1 teaspoon of lavender oil. Okay, lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is very good when it comes to soothing the skin and calming redness. So those who have used harsh cream in the past and have skin redness, this recipe is going to help soothe your skin and calm that redness. So with the lavender oil, we are using 1 tablespoon. I am so sorry. I never realized that I was out of frame. Please forgive me. I'm deeply sorry. This is not how I usually do my DIY recipes or my tutorial videos. I'm so sorry. It really saddens my heart to see that I was completely out of frame. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry that I'm out of frame. So just manage this like this for me. So I'm leaving pictures of all the products that we are using on the screen. Kindly forgive me. The next ingredient we're going to use is Smooth Diamond Turmeric Oil. It's a very good brightening oil, and I made a review on it about a few days ago. It helps get rid of dark spots as well. So we are incorporating this in the recipe. Now, next is this combo. So this is a combination of 3 oils, that is grapeseed oil, Vitco 3-in-1 treatment oil, and also 1-minute neem oil. Now, with grapeseed oil, it supports skin barrier. It contains omega-6 fatty acid, which helps strengthen the skin barrier. So, in as much as we are trying to lighten the skin, we are also doing our best to strengthen and build a better skin barrier. Grapeseed oil also locks moisture into the skin. It brightens and evens out the skin. Regular use can help fade dark spots and improve overall skin radiance. Like I said, we also have 1-minute neem oil in this combo. 1-minute neem oil is very rich in collagen, mainly designed specifically to combat the imperfections of your skin. It gives your skin the freshness, vitality, radiance, and restores its youthfulness. So this neem oil goes a long way to help the skin, and it's anti-reaction oil as well. So if you are prone to reactions or any cream reactions, okay, this neem oil, 1-minute neem oil, it's going to protect your skin, it's going to help restore your skin, it's going to treat and heal your skin. So the third ingredient in this combo is Vitgold 3-in-1 body treatment oil. Yes, it's very good. It lightens, it firms the skin and tones the skin very well. It's formulated with 100% pure plant extract, and it aims to address various skin concerns. So you can see that we are including more skin protectors in this formulation. So Vitgold oil aims to address various skin concerns, including getting rid of dark spots, acne, stretch marks, and signs of aging. So we are going to mix this formulation thoroughly, mix until it is smooth, it's completely fine and well combined. If you have a hand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. It's because I'm making a smaller quantity, that is why I'm using a spoon to mix it. This is how our final result looks. So you use this lotion twice daily, but if you're going to work on the sun, just stick to night only and use your sunscreen during the day. Don't forget to exfoliate twice a week or once a week at least. Thank you very much. You know, this lotion is going to glow your skin, it's going to beautify your skin without giving you any problem. So use this lotion this way to achieve better results, achieve that glow and radiance. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.